Can I start
Yeah,
filming?
just record.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. That's really...
We are going to gas Jake. He's asleep. It's gonna piss him off. Right this way.
It's like hard to film. Okay.
I feel bad because he's getting a little sick, but karma's.
Hold on, I have to get a good view of him first. Okay.
Jake!
Oh, Jesus Christ, Janelle. The fuck, man?
Gotcha!